revelations of last night, in which the accused who has escaped or who has checked out from police custody has made shocking observations, and a video which explains that it was not he who has escaped, but it was the Goa police team of 12 people or 13 people which escorted him and led him into the outside state and left him in Hubli, and that he is under pressure from the ruling MLA and within the establishment, including the police, to sign up this land in favor of cronies of the ruling party MLAs. This revelation has reduced Goa into a banana republic. I don't know whether there is a worse case of collusion of the politicians, the police and the mafia, which is into land grab. And furthermore, the Commission of Inquiry that probed this case has said that what actually constitutes land grab has not itself been defined by the government. So that 44 of the cases out of the 48, only 4 cases were charged sheeted. So 44 cases can be settled by the politicians like this and grabbed. So this amounts to a complete collapse of Goa's law and order machinery. This has reduced Goa's name into a banana republic. This chief minister has taken Goa into this bottomless pit of corruption. Every day there is one scam, and the next scam makes the first scam look smaller. There was a cash for job scam, which the police and the media and everybody went out of the way to try to hush up. Just as that scam is over, now we have this new scam of land grab. This land grab scam is now come out because the person has escaped. But the report of the Commission of Inquiry is damning and completely makes a needle of suspicion on those who have led this government. So I believe for the future of Goa, for the sake of Goa's image, our identity, and the future of our generations to come, I think it will be best that all this ends up in this year itself, and in the new year we have a new leadership in Goa. It is not only for the sake of we as the opposition, but it is for the people of Goa, it is for the ruling party that we have to see a new face governing Goa, because this man has taken Goa into this bottomless pit of corruption where anything is possible, and the people have completely lost faith in the law and order machinery. They are scared to complain because the people to whom they are complaining may itself be the perpetrators of a further crime. So there is a complete loss of faith in the establishment, and I feel that the only way we can salvage ourselves in the new year is to have Pramod Sawant resign as Chief Minister and a new person taking over.